Your phone number isn't just a contact, it's a key. And PhoneInfoga is the key. Just one simple command and waiting a lot. I can scan your phone number just like that. And now I already know that you're in USA. Please be aware of who you give your phone number to. Able to set up it on Termux. Let's try another number like 69213456354. That's what one phone number exposes: your local area, country, and the city you are in. I wonder what the network has more to offer in your data. Subscribe, like, and leave comments on what I should do a video on.